so far I have this and this, and I showed you in the last video how to adjust the line width. I could probably do more with this, but just in the interest of moving on, let me show you some tricks. So let me zoom out. I'm going to click again on the artboard tool right there, and I'm going to hold down the option key and drag while I mouse down this over, and now I have an exact copy of that image over here. So I want to use the live paint tool and mess with this, but here's the problem. First of all, let me show you what happens. If I select all of this to use the live paint tool with, and I say to object, live paint, make, so it lets me do it, but watch what happens to my line. This comes up and it says that complex visual appearances, like stroke, will change. So watch, if I say okay, everything becomes kind of messed up. I don't want that. So I need to modify this line before I do anything else. And I'll show you how to do that. Once you do this, it's changed forever. So currently I have a path right here. And instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to expand appearance, which changes my path. It's now, these are now shapes. They're no longer actually individual lines, or paths. They're actually shapes, just on this one artboard. So if I go ahead and select this now and say object, live paint, make, looks like I've got it all, right? Well, if I hold down the letter K, for some reason, some bizarre reason, it's not letting me fill in these areas here, and I already know why. I forgot to add a border around this whole shape. So in other words, I'm going to come over here, no fill, stroke of black, add a little border here. And you can do this at any time. Like after you've already made a live paint group, you can just add it. So you can't even see that border, but watch what happens. Now I'm basically saying that there's a line there. So I have to go object, live paint, add that to my live paint group by saying make, unselect, hit the letter K, and voila. So now I'm ready to go ahead and go in there and add my color group. So for example, if I wanted this all to be variation on the color green, I could pretty quickly do just that. I'm just being careful to not have too many of the same colors right next to each other, because that's going to look a little bizarre. But you can see how quickly you can go back in and modify those colors. So that's basically how you create a live paint group and add color to your image.